Hello everybody! So kagabi ini nga video. Late na amon package umabot. 5 something ini na i-deliver. Dugan na liwatsan kan daddy package. So bali super excited ako sini dili nga time. Kayo ho, mayaon na parol. December, Pasko, of course. Anyways, I've been craving for a Capiz parol. But you know, it's so expensive here. Like the price is like $200 plus. And I don't want to spend that money. So this is the good thing. I saw a Filipina seller and she's selling this parol for only 25 or 27 bucks, I think. It's not the same as the Capiz parol, but you know, it gives Christmas vibe. So ganyan yung itsura ng parol ko. So manipis lang siya, with lights and wires on it. I was thinking to put that in the window already, but Daddy said we don't have extension wire for that kasi yung wire niya is hindi siya masyadong mahaba. So yun lang yung haba niya. And Daddy promised that he's going to make me an extension wire for that. So here's the parol look like. Nabili ko nga pala to sa LA Fashion kay sis Lori Martinez, and she's selling Filipino foods, Bangkok dresses, tapos itong mga parol. So, ito na yung parol. See? It's so pretty. Tapos yung may pinipindot-pindot siya dyan para mag-change yung mga lights. Hindi ko alam kung paano describe yun. So, yun. So, Stella was so happy at that time. Tatalon-talon pa siya dyan yung makita niya yung parol na yan. So, ayan siya. Diba ang ganda? Ang ganda-ganda niyan. So, mamayang gabi, ilalagay ko na yan sa may bintana. With the help of Daddy Tommy, of course. Tapos, ito na yung second parol ko. Ang star ng Pasko. So, ganyan lang kaikli talaga yung wire niyan. So, at first, sabi ko, ay, bakit ganito yung light? Then, na-realize ko, ay, may pinipindot pala para mag-change yung ilaw. So, ayan. Maraming pindot na tinry ko. Then, ayun, super happy na naman si Stella. Pati ako. So, diba, ang ganda. So, hindi siya mahal. Mag-aaring gamitin. So, kailangan lang to after Christmas ilagay sa isang lugar na walang balakid. Char. Yun lang. Thank you for watching.